How to create Teamspace in Notion. In this video, I'll show you how to create Teamspace in Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open notion.com into your preferred browser and then sign in into your Notion account. Now from here, go ahead and click on that Start Collaborating button under the Shared tab. And then once you're in here, go ahead and click on the Share button at the top right of your screen. And then once you click on that, you'll be able to add more users to this page. So simply go ahead and search for that user's email on this tab and then click on that invite button at the right side of your screen to add that individual to this space. So once you have added this individual, the theme space welcome page will pop at the left side of your screen. So make sure to set this individual as a member of your team on this page to be able to allow them to access all of the things that they can do for this page. So you just need to add more individuals into this team to be able to create a team space in Notion. And that is how you can basically create team space in Notion. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.